Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna try out some heatless hair curls with you guys. I am gonna apply this method. This is the Jumbo Flexi Rods. I bought these from Amazon. I'm gonna apply these with you guys, and then I'll wake up in the morning, I'll pop back on here, and we'll see the results. If you're new here, hey, welcome. I do all things beauty, so hit subscribe down below so you can stay up to date when I upload next. And yeah, let's dive into it. Also guys, here are my updates on my eyebrows. After the third session to remove the microblading, I have a little bit of yellow left. Just a teensy bit. Don't know if I'm going to do another session because I'm not too bothered by it, but we'll see. Anyways, just wanted to update you guys. All the scary scabs are gone. So I have done a few heatless curl methods. Now for reference, if you're new to my channel, I have very fine, thin hair. I washed it today and this is just an air dried. It loses a lot of volume after the first day. So that's why I wanted to show you guys this. I have not tried this yet. These are the heatless Jumbo Flexi Rods from this, I guess the brand's Luckybear. Found them on Amazon. They got pretty good reviews. So I'm hoping that this heatless curl method will keep the most volume or give me the most volume overnight. I've tried the sock curls, which are really nice. They're really comfortable, but I still find I have a lot of flatness here. And I've also tried the unicorn method. It turned out okay. I didn't really love it. So that's why I want to give these a go. So I'm worried that these are going to be pretty uncomfortable. If it's not comfortable, there's no way I'm going to get a good night's sleep. This brand comes with 3 of these Jumbo Flexi Rods. They feel pretty squishy. And these are the ones with the hook method, not like the snap buttons. And they're very velvety and soft. Looks like they kind of retain their shape a little, which is nice. So they're not going to be like resisting the hold. And then it also comes with a silk scarf. It's like a silk scarf. It's actually pretty big, so I feel like you could wrap this. Let me try. All the way around your head. I don't know if I'll do the silk scarf because it's wintertime and I'm already experiencing so much static. I hate it. So I have watched a few videos online where some people do 1 here and then 2 like side to side. And then I've also seen 1, 2, and 3. I generally sleep on my back and side, so I think I'm going to try 1, 2, and 3. I feel like if I have them here, it's not going to be comfortable either way. I don't have a lot of hair on my head. I don't know. I feel like this is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to take a section and bring it forward. We'll try it. We'll do it. We'll go for it because I might have to do this more than once. We'll have to practice. Okay, just brushing it forward. Okay, I'm going to take one of these. Oh, my hair's so staticky. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, and then bring it here, and then I'm just going to start wrapping it around, and then I'm going to roll it towards my face. Oof, that feels tight. I don't know if I like that tightness on my scalp. I look like a crazy person right now. Okay, this is kind of tricky. Ow! Why is this so hard to do? Try again. Take 2. So I have like all this baby hair I just feel like is not gonna make it in, but that's okay. Alright, so I have all this left to do 2 more sections. We'll do it, and then if I feel like it's kind of uneven, I might just redo it. So I'm taking about, let's see, this much. And I think I'm going to do the same thing. I think I need to roll them forward. I don't know how precise you have to be with rolling it. Like, you know? Like, does anyone know? Right, and again. Okay, that. It's not as... Why does that not look right? That does not look right. Did I do that the right way? I guess it will be okay, right? It feels pretty secure though. Well, the last one I feel like is gonna end up down here. So I feel like I do might need to take these out and move them up a little. Do less on the top one, more in the middle. That way my back rod will have more space. So this one's more up here, I guess. I feel like it would be fairly easy to put these in once you get the hang of it. I feel like with any method, it's kind of just like getting the hang of it. So that did not work out. Do I need to roll that one in a different direction? Let's try it. Just making it a lot more tighter. I just have like baby fine hairs that keep getting pulled. Okay, I got that one to stay. There's like certain hairs that are really taut that it's really uncomfortable. So I guess we could leave it like that. I just feel like there's a lot of tension on certain pieces of hair, which I need to like loosen. Let's just put this on to show you guys. I think you put it in a triangle, am I right? Put it back here, right? Is this what you're supposed to do? I have no idea. No idea. Oh, that's just causing static. I can't. I'm sorry, guys. I cannot do the silk scarf. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna redo these. Alright guys, I'm back. I kept this one how it was and I put the other two back in. Somehow this one got sideways, but it's still rolled, right? So I think I'm gonna leave it how it is. Say a little prayer that I have an okay night's sleep. I think since I can lay on my side, it will be fine. Some of them do feel a little tight, like a little bit of tension, but maybe it will just loosen as the night goes on. So I'll pop back on here in the morning, do a quick little makeup zoom through, and then we'll see how these curls end up. I'll see you in a bit.
You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. But I will guide you home.
Alright guys, just quickly did my makeup. I gotta run soon, so let's talk about this method. Number one, it is probably the most uncomfortable method that I have tried for overnight heatless curls. This one I had to take out overnight. It was so uncomfortable. So uncomfortable. Even laying on my side, I feel like this push, it's so big, it pushed up against my neck and it was just really uncomfortable. I probably will never do this hairstyle again, but let's take it out. So I put this one in this morning. This was not there, so my hair, that piece is probably not curled, but it's an easy fix if I need to. So let's take it out. Take this one out. Let's see what we got here. Oh, my hair. All right, this is the true one. My George Washington curl. Oh, okay. Let me flip my head because look at that. You got lots of volume on the top one. It was really nice. The rest of it, actually not bad. Remember, I have very thin hair, so I feel like if that bottom piece was curled, it would be pretty good because, well, the middle one didn't do too great, but really not bad. Disaster turned out okay. Okay. The lens doesn't zoom out, so I'm on a fixed lens situation. Okay, what do you think? Actually love the front, like the top. The top was gonna be like the worst piece. What is this? My baby hairs are like smushed there very weirdly. Let's look at the back. Oh, that is just my calic I have. That's great. All right. Well, all right guys, so I don't know. If they were more comfortable, I would totally give this another try, but honestly, they just are not comfortable at all. So I'm probably gonna pass and never do this one again. I'm gonna try some other methods. I mean, so maybe I could just do 2 rolls, one here and one here, but we'll save that for another day. It didn't turn out too bad. It's fine, whatever. But final verdict, it is so uncomfortable. I don't know how people wear this. I think I'm gonna try the rope tie curls next, I think. Maybe try the sock style next as well. So if you're interested in those, make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned. Had the worst sleep of my life, I think, but it's okay. Beauty is pain, right? Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.